Hey guys, welcome back again to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I sliced open my pumpkin bread. And you can see how, if I could, these shadows drive me nuts because the light is not coming from behind me. It's coming from in front of me. I don't understand this. Anyway, there you go. You can see the texture of the slices. Now, this bread is actually very good for you because I'm not putting it in the recipe because I just wanted to stay flexible, but I used King Arthur's whole grain soft white wheat flour, and I really like soft white wheat. I just got about 25 pounds of soft white wheat berries that I can make my own flour with because I have a flour mill. But I will also use King Arthur's if I don't grind my own wheat berries. It's not as strong a flavor or color as the hard red wheat berries that are usually used for whole wheat flour, which is why I really like it. You can't tell here because the pumpkin is making it very orange, but the soft white wheat flour is a little more golden than like a bleached all-purpose or even an unbleached white all-purpose flour. But I'm fine with that, and the flavor is wonderful. I really enjoy it. So this is good for you because there's no sugar in it, and there's whole wheat. It just doesn't look like whole wheat. So I have toasted a piece, so let me get that out. And here's my little piece that I toasted, and I melted some of my homemade butter on top. I'm having it with a mug of tea for breakfast. I didn't want to wake up very early though. It's raining outside and it's ice cold inside because I am not looking forward to lugging firewood into the house yet, but it's gotten so darn cold I'm going to have to start doing it. I spent yesterday stacking up the rack outside the kitchen door so that it's easy to get to. But yeah, here it is. It cracked when I got it out of the pan I was toasting it in, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Mmm. Not too sweet. If you wanted it sweeter, you could add another maybe quarter cup of whatever you're using to sweeten it. It would also really be good with maybe some chopped pecans in it, raisins, or sweetened dried cranberries would be really good in this. It's really nice. Also, pumpkin is very good. I mean, almost everything in here is extremely good for you. Everything that's in here in bulk, like the pumpkin. Pumpkin is a very healthy vegetable. Pumpkin, whole wheat flour, non-sugar, natural sweetener. I can't handle the artificial ones like Splenda. Gives me heartburn, so I don't use it. It may be benign to your health, but I can't cope with the heartburn, so I'm glad I found the monk fruit. I used to use xylitol, but it's very helpful for constipation, and I don't have constipation, so I can't have a lot of xylitol. Sorry, too much information there. But yeah, and I don't like the aftertaste that erythritol leaves, so monk fruit is really good. I hope they don't come, well, if they do come up with bad news about monk fruit, it'll probably be researched back by the, either the NutraSweet company or the sugar lobby, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Gotta eat another piece. Yeah, this would be really good with dried cranberries in it. It would be good with some cream cheese on top. cream cheese and cranberry sauce. That would be really good. Good day after Thanksgiving breakfast. So yeah, like I said in the first video, the recipe will be on my blog, and I will link to it in the description, along with all the other things I linked to in the description. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you if you watch this one too. Oh, it's later than I thought. It's a little after 11, so it won't be up for a while yet. I just didn't want to get out of bed. It's so darn cold and it's Sunday morning, and I wanted to stay in bed. I've been awake messing around on YouTube, but yeah, I figured, well, it's time, and I'm also getting antibiotic tummy aches again. I was doing well for a while, but I'm on an oral antibiotic now, clindamycin. I've been on it for 2 weeks, but I'm only just starting to get tummy aches, which makes me not want to eat anything till it goes away. Fortunately, it does go away after an hour or two after I take it, but it's clearing up my knee, so I'm happy about that. Just in time for lugging firewood, too. Anyway, thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you later, guys.